part one to the Hebra house. We call this, Nettles Acre. Hebra house, Hebra. It's in reference to a video game that our family likes to play called Legend of Link, the Zelda series. There's different names. It's like the game that had the Hebra area in it, which was called Breath of the Wild. So the property started out with the mini house, which we're going to call Selmie Spot. Mini house started out as just a Graceland shed, and I just started adding things to it, and doors and windows, but I took a break with it when I had to get the new house in. But otherwise, fully insulated. We'll have a full bathroom. We'll have a kitchenette right there. That's the window for the kitchen. Storage and where the air conditioning unit will hang. Heating when there's no electricity. And then we have the stairs. Takes up to the upstairs bedroom. And then there will be a small bedroom right here that'll hold a queen bed. Nice and cozy. This building started out in this spot, but it's going to move to about where the burn barrel is. It's going to sit at the same angle that the Hebra house, the main house, sits. So it will be along there. We have a lot of good trees, big pines, lovely sunsets, and the tractor that gets most of it done. That was an investment from last year because I have been doing a lot of digging, a lot of plot flattening. You can see the water line that I put in. That really was the game changer. Once we had electricity right there, gas, we needed water to get the trifecta. Air conditioning has always been in. And that's to get us to the point where we could stay here, work here, bring someone up that was going to help us work. Future site of the garden. The garden will be back here. There's our tractors that help us do the gardening. Some of our wonderful tall pines that we have. I have really good neighbors. We've all been chipping in and working together. You can see he's making a she shed back there that he's going to sell. Oh, sorry about that. It's gorgeous. And then the neighbors have just been great, especially when I say they can use the tractor anytime they want. So they've been like really friendly. So that's part one. Part two will show you the main Hebra house.